Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun video where I infuse a movie into my wig install. This is going to be so exciting and fun for me because I often hear the phrase, you know, I'm so good at that, I can do it in my sleep. Or I'm so good, I can do it blindfolded. So we're about to see how good I am, y'all. So we're going to use the movie Bird Box. If you haven't seen that movie, you need to go check it out. That movie is so killer. I really didn't think I was gonna like it because I don't like scary movies, and I thought it was gonna be really scary and gory, but it really wasn't. And you know it's a good movie if my husband Gerard actually stays awake during the whole thing. He was engaged the whole time. So Bird Box producers, y'all killed it. So today's video is gonna be one where I blindfold myself. My little wifey eye mask that I wear to bed. I'm going to be using this to cover my eyes, which is why I'm not wearing makeup or anything at the beginning of this video because I don't want it to get messed up. But I am going to throw on some makeup by the end. So I'm going to put this eye mask on and I'm going to do the entire install with my HAIRVIVI. And y'all, the box is a little greasy right now because I just put some moisturizer on my hands. But HAIRVIVI units are known for being units that you can throw on, not have to do much work at all, if any. They bleach the knots for you. They pre-plug the hairline. They also have a great deal of parting space. I'm gonna stop babbling. We're gonna see what I can do with this unit. So I'm gonna blindfold myself, unboxing the hair and everything. So I'm going to be using my senses just like they did in the video in order to feel my way around, texture, smell, all of that with this bad boy here. So let's get to it. All right. Eye mask is going on. I can't see a thing. Of course, in the movie they had on scarves, but y'all, this is better for me. So I'm just gonna untie the box. So I'm feeling my way. This is harder than I thought. All right, got it. And that's their nice paper with their logo on it. We have the wig. I have some crocodile clips that they provide. These are the wig caps, and hopefully they're my scalp color. All right, so we're gonna take it out. And this unit is the Kim inspired unit. It's the Kim Luxe unit on their website. And it's supposed to be a loose curl. Let's see. Opening the bag. Ooh, child. This hair feels good. Yeah, definitely a loose curl. I can feel that. I am getting a bit of a smell. This hair is not one that doesn't have a smell. It doesn't smell bad. It actually smells good. But there is a smell. Okay. The hair feels very soft and silky. I can run my fingers through it very, very well. Okay, good quality. All right, let's see. I'm not feeling any baby hairs. It seems as though they may have slicked the front down. Let's see about the hairline. And y'all, I pray I'm in focus. That's something I'm nervous about with recording this way. I record for myself, so if it's not in focus, I'm sorry. Am I even in the middle? I don't even know. Okay, it feels really, really good. Okay, and the parting space, I believe their parting space is 4.5. I got my unit customized because the last time I got a unit from them, it fit, but the hairline didn't completely cover my hairline. Awesome. Okay, so this is the elastic band that they've now started to include, and I love this one because they have the clasp, so you can make it tighter, you can adjust it so that it expands out a little bit, but this is perfect, so we don't have to use any gel, glue, or anything. So that's the good thing about their units. All right, we have the lace in the front, and this is a lace front construction, I believe. Let me feel to make sure. Yes, we have wefts in the back. I'm doing good so far. All right, so I need to cut off the lace in the front and also add some of my spray. They did bleach the knots. I know that's done, but I'm not sure if they lightly bleached them or if they bleached it like they normally do because I can't see it yet. But I'm still gonna go in with my Sally Hansen and let's see if I can reach for it and get the right one. Oh gracious. Okay, so this is the one that's closest to me. I have 2 containers. Let's see if I can grab them both. Oh boy. I don't feel it. That's not it. Oh my goodness. I'm trying my best not to take this blindfold off. I think this is it. Is this it? Oh gracious, no, they're not the same size. That's not it. Oh crap. Oh, is this it? No. That didn't have the same top. Okay, so oh crap. Alright, we're just gonna go with this one. I feel like this one might be the one that I use, which is medium glow. I don't even know if I have it turned the right way. Hopefully you can see it and it's turned the right way. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm pointing this in the right direction. Oh, oh gracious, this is so hard. I'm going to spray it on the lace. I'm going to attempt to put it on my mannequin head and do this and cut the lace in the front. Oh my God. I hope I will not cut any of this hair out. Okay. And hopefully I will not trip because I'm such a klutz. I tell my husband that all the time. Okay, I had to take it off just for the sake of... Alright, so I just want to make sure it's higher so y'all can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to put it back on. Y'all trust me, I'm not cheating. This is not cheating, guys. Okay. If my husband was here, he could help me, but he's not. Alright, so got it. The hair is on the mannequin head. And as you all can see, I have my blindfold on. It's on, guys. I'm not cheating. Okay. Let me see if it has any baby hair. I don't think that's baby hair. Maybe it is, but it's longer. I don't know. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like. Hopefully it looks very natural. I don't know because I can't see it. All right. Other side. Can y'all see that? Now, I'm going to take this off and turn it over and spray the Sally Hansen spray on the lace. Gracious. Oh, I didn't show you guys. The unit has, along with the elastic band, it also has 2 combs on the side and a comb at the bottom. Is this the bottom? Yeah, comb at the bottom. And they usually have a longer comb. I like that feature. Inside out. Boy, still have my mask on. This unit actually feels like it's large. I hope they got my measurements right. We're gonna see. So I had it customized. I have the spray. Taking the top off. I'm just gonna feel my way to make sure I don't spray too much and it's where it needs to be. So I'm just gonna spray this. Oh crap. Did I get it? I don't know if I got it all. And I don't know if I... Oh, I hope I'm not spraying it on the hair. Shoot, my hand's gonna be so dirty. Okay, I think that's enough. I think. Now I need my foundation brush because I have to, oh Christ, where is it? I have to smooth that into the lace. I have to grab it. Oh, where is it? Oh, I got it. Got it, guys. Okay, so now we're just gonna brush this in. Okay. Now the cutting in the front is the next step. I'm so nervous about that. So hopefully I did this right. I don't know. Feels okay. Okay, now we gotta cut the lace. Jesus help your girl. And I'm gonna bend down so y'all can see that I'm not cheating. Got my scissors. Oh gracious, that's hair. That was almost gone. Jesus, lead and guide me. Do not lead me astray. Because this will be really bad. I'm trying to get as close as possible. Oh my God, I'm nervous that I cut the hair. Okay. This is not a good idea, guys. Oh, shoot. Okay, got that part. Take your time. Take your time, Mary. Oh my goodness, if I cut this hair. You got this. You totally got this. Okay, so I'm not that. Oh my goodness. This is hard. Okay, I'm too nervous to do this part with being blindfolded. I can't do it, guys. I can't. I'm gonna have to cut this off. Ooh, I was doing pretty good. Look at your girl. Look, y'all. Wow. I did okay. I didn't cut any of the hair with the blindfold on. Look at y'all, girl. Oh, cheated just a little bit. So let's get the rest of this. All right, back to our regularly scheduled program. I'm gonna pull this back down. And I need to actually take off my scarf. We ready, we ready, we ready for you. Okay, so I need to make sure that my part is centered. So let's find the part. Let's make sure this is down so y'all don't think I'm cheating. It's down, guys. I can't see. Okay, feeling for the part. Okay, this is the part. Oh, it might fit really well. Ooh. Okay, honey. Is that in the... That's not in the middle. Okay, we're gonna shift it some. Alright. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Okay. Just turn it a little more. It doesn't feel right or even. Is that part in the middle? I think she's in the middle. I think we might have did a good job here, Vivi. Okay. So I'm gonna wear the middle part. And I shouldn't have to do I'm not gonna do baby hair or anything. It feels like it's laying really flat. Let me make sure everything is flat like it's supposed to. I don't have any lace that's folded. Looks like we got some folding going on. Is that right? Is she right though? Okay. Still fold it a little bit. Yes. Okay, nice and flat. Meat meal. What lace though? Okay, so we have the unit on. This is what the side is looking like. We don't need any gel or glue because it's laying down so flat because of the elastic band. I don't have to insert the combs, but I'm gonna do so in the back. All right, now I wanna brush out the curl some because y'all know I like volume. This unit is in 150% density, I believe, and it's in length, I believe this is length 18. It comes a little past my bust area. All right, so I need to grab a comb or a brush to comb the curls out. You don't have to do that. You could leave it like this. In the photo of Kim K that I have, she had it really just silky and effortless, and she didn't have a great deal of volume. But I want some volume, y'all. Y'all know I like volume. So let's see if I can find my comb. Okay, so it's a no-go for the comb. I can't feel my way. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Finger comb. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, off camera, I'm gonna go do my makeup and come back all zhuzhed up.
Doesn't exist on this trip. I'm fearless.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I did decide to go in with my comb and comb out the curls some just to give it more volume, and I'm loving how it turned out. I'll show y'all what the back looks like. This hair is a long child. I hope that you all enjoyed this Bird Box edition of a wig install. Let me know if y'all want me to try it again with a different unit. Maybe one that I actually have to use Got2b glue or some form of adhesive to secure it down. But I hope you all love it. I feel like I kind of want to try a side part. Alright y'all, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you had a little fun as you saw me go through the process of installing this unit blindfolded Bird Box style. Again, if you haven't watched that movie, go check it out, girl. It's awesome. Check the description box for the link to this Kim Luxe unit from HAIRVIVI. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.